Hey there, welcome back. Geo here. It's week 2 of Teach the Teacher. The assignment I selected is Photoshop. I'm going to use Photoshop to create an ad for an upcoming tutorial in Premiere Pro. This is the ad I did in Photoshop. Use some layers down here. We'll go through and talk about how we created those. We used a logo and some text and a background image. So you see it's named it up here in our tab, so we can always go back and find it. This is the image that we copied from, but it's in the buffer now. So all I have to do is Command V, and now you see it's pasted it in there. Now it's a little bit big, so I'm going to use Command minus to zoom out on my artboard. And if I select the move tool, you can see the actual size is really big compared to what we're doing. We're going to have to shrink that down. If you didn't have show transform controls checked here, you wouldn't see that. So that could be, so make sure if you're looking for that, make sure you turn this on. Okay, couple quick things. We don't have a lot of time, but a couple quick things. If you grab this corner, it's going to shrink into, it's going to use the opposite corner as the axis. So it'll shrink into, or it'll get larger, just to the opposite corner. So if you're in the lower right, it's going to go to the upper left. If we're in the lower left, it's going to go to the upper right. If you want to go straight into the middle, you just hold the Option key. When you're hold the Option key and move this, and it goes straight in the center of where you are. Next, we want to add some text to this. So here is the text tool. So I'm going to click the text tool, and I'm going to click here and just start typing. Many ways to size this. I could just use the move tool, and I could grab these corners and I could change the size like that. Okay, that's great. And there's the ad. That was kind of fun. I hope you picked up some great, useful tips. I'll see you around.